Have you ever noticed how sometimes, no matter how healthy you eat or how much you exercise, you just can't seem to shake off that sluggish feeling? It's like your body is stuck in neutral, and you're searching for a spark to get things moving again. That's where the gelatin trick comes in, a simple yet powerful daily ritual that can help get your digestive system back on track. Researchers say that the gelatin trick works because it helps to heal and seal the lining of your gut, allowing your body to absorb the nutrients it needs to function properly. When you incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you're giving your body the tools it needs to wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. My friend, I've seen the gelatin trick work wonders for people who have struggled with bloating and digestive issues. And it's all because of the way it gently nourishes and supports the health of your gut. To learn more about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, check out the link in the description below, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some additional tips and tricks. By giving the gelatin trick a try, you'll be taking the first step towards a healthier, happier you.